The warm, moist environment inside your shoes is a breeding ground for stinky bacteria that can leave your shoes smelling downright funky. In this video, I'll show you how to use OdoBan disinfectant and odor eliminator to eliminate those smelly shoe odors step by step and to keep your kicks smelling fresh. Hey guys, I'm Val with OdoBan, and if you love OdoBan or just like free, helpful cleaning videos, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click on that bell icon so that you'll know when we have a new video. Your subscription really helps us out a lot, and we appreciate that. Okay, let's get started. OdoBan eliminates odors at the source, leaving a lasting, fresh scent you'll love. Hey there, you're looking fresh. OdoBan disinfectant and odor eliminator is available in a ready-to-use spray and an economical concentrate formula. To eliminate shoe odors using the concentrate formula, you'll want to mix up an odor-eliminating spray bottle solution. For a standard 32-ounce bottle, it's easy. Just add 5.5 ounces of concentrate before filling the rest of the bottle with water. We have other helpful videos on how to mix OdoBan concentrate, and we'll share those at the end. So here's how to get smells out of shoes using OdoBan. Step 1. If your shoes have laces, untie them and remove the shoe inserts. Take your OdoBan and liberally spray all of the surfaces of the inserts before setting them aside in an area to dry with good airflow. Now with the inserts out, you're going to want to spray the inside of your shoes. It's best to hold the shoes in your hand so that you can get a better position with the sprayer. Make sure OdoBan covers all the surfaces inside the shoes. If you have sneakers or athletic shoes, you can even spray the exterior and the laces before setting them aside in an area to dry with good airflow. Now if your shoes are washable like canvas and most athletic shoes, you can clean those in a washing machine using OdoBan concentrate in the rinse cycle. We recommend that you remove the laces and the inserts before washing using a mesh bag or a pillowcase on the gentle cycle and then allowing them to air dry. To learn more about OdoBan in laundry, we'll share a link to that video coming up next. Once your shoes are dry, they'll be fresh and ready to go. Eliminating shoe odors is just one of the ways to use OdoBan. We want to hear from you. What is your favorite way to use OdoBan?
Before you go, here are a few more helpful videos you should definitely check out. And if you like this video and want more of the best fun, free cleaning tips and how-tos, be sure to hit that subscribe button and then click the little bell icon so you'll always know whenever we post a new video.